Hello Excel champions, it's William aka Dr. Excel. Today I want to show you in Excel how you can compare some character strings, some text between one another, and which functions to use to do this accurately. So I'm gonna give you the file as usual. You can download it right below the video. There's gonna be a link. This way you can download it and follow with me. So to check whether a cell is equal to another one, if the text is similar in two cells, you can use two functions. The first one is actually you're gonna compute the logical expression, is the first cell equal to the second. So for example, B2 equals C2. You don't actually have to put the parenthesis around the expression. It's gonna work each time. And we're going to see what it computes for these different sets of text. So of course text 1 is not equal to text 2. Text 1 is equal to text 1. It's exactly the same character chain. But here what we can see is that for these two expressions, actually here the T's are uppercase, here they are lowercase. So it's not exactly the same text, but it's kind of. So here we can see that this expression is not case sensitive, so it's gonna match, it's gonna return true if the two expressions are equal regardless of case. So that's good to check if the case doesn't matter to you. If it does, if whether the letter is in uppercase or lowercase is important to you, then there's another function that you can use, which is called exact. And which is going to compare exactly if both texts are equal. So it's going to be the same thing for these two comparisons at the beginning. So here they are of course false, here it's exactly the same thing, so it's going to be true. But for these two, the equal sign is going to return true, it's going to match them, but the exact formula is going to say no, they are not exactly the same. Because there's a case difference, this one is case sensitive. So the equal sign is the one we use the most to compare some chains of text, to check if you found some string when you use it in a formula, basically. But be careful, if the case is important to you, it's better to use exact. So I just wanted to show you the step. Hope it's going to be helpful to you and be more accurate. As usual, you can download the file right below. Link is below the video, so you can reuse it. And I'll see you tomorrow for a new Excel tutorial. See you tomorrow, champions. Don't forget to subscribe. This way, you will be notified when I publish the video. Ciao.